Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with access and a target product, so log into your admin and open products, right arrow all products. Once done, find the item and choose Edit rather than Preview. Editing exposes the category panel. Make sure you're using the right editor, Classic versus Block, because the category box appears in different places. You want the product screen visible now. This step ensures you can change metadata safely and prevents accidental drafts that skip category saves. Now you modify categories directly in the Product Categories panel. Check existing categories to add them or uncheck to remove. This controls how the product appears on category archive pages. If you need a new category, click Add New Product Category, give it a descriptive name and optional parent, then Add. Once the desired selection is visible, click Update. This writes taxonomy changes to the database and refreshes front-end listings, so make sure the new category shows in the product list. Finish by clicking Update, and then view both the single product page and its category archive to confirm placement. If the product doesn't appear, clear any caching layers and resave permalinks under Settings, right arrow permalinks to rebuild routes. If problems persist, disable caching plugins briefly and test for plugin or theme conflicts. Your category may be hidden by template overrides or custom code. Finally, revert temporary changes after testing and document the working configuration so you can repeat the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.